Hello, welcome to my channel. My name is Luis. Today we are having a look at the Haylou RT smartwatch. Because what you are looking for is maximum enjoyment. With the new Haylou RT you'll have the complement you need on every run, a smartwatch compatible with a wide variety of sports, multiple sensors so you have all the data from your sleep and your days, and that looks amazing when you go out to dinner with friends. Want to know more? The new Haylou RT has a 1.28 TFT LCD screen, with a resolution of 240x 240px in color. The body is made of metal, which makes it an elegant and resistant model like few others. Its silicone wristband also makes it a wear-resistant model, comfortable to wear all day and difficult to damage. Likewise, it is one of the toughest smartwatches because it has IP68 certification, with which you can wear it when you go running in the rain and without problems with sweat, dust and sand. All this while being a really beautiful watch, able to enhance your outfit and complete it while being functional like few others. It is a smartwatch made for sports, with 12 sport modes. You will have modes such as running, stationary biking and walking, basketball, soccer. You will be able to know all the data of your sports practice, adapting to each one of them. You will be able to know the state of your heart thanks to its optical heart rate sensor, and the steps and distances covered with its integrated pedometer. This optical heart rate sensor allows you to know the data 24 hours a day. For you to know even more information about your practice, it integrates a detector of oxygen saturation in the blood, with which you will know the state of your body and whether you are following the rhythm that you want or if there is a physiological problem. What you expect from a smartwatch is that it can last a long time on just one charge. And this new Haylou delivers. A smartwatch that offers a wear time of up to 10 days with all its sensors activated 24 hours a day, and up to 20 days if you just want to use it as a watch and show the time. In addition, you can connect it to your smartphone with its Bluetooth version 5.0 and change its sphere to adapt it to your look. It will integrate perfectly into your closet as one more piece of clothing. Depending on whether you want to use it as a smartwatch or a watch, you will have a battery life of up to 20 days with the sensors off or up to 10 days without them. If you like this video, there's a special button for that. And if you want more videos, there's another super special button for that. Thank you.
If you like this video, please subscribe.